Hello and welcome back to the latest episode of Logistics 9's Yiwu Market Tour Vlog. Today we're about to take a tour through the world of kitchen essentials right here at the world's largest wholesale market. We'll be uncovering the keys to stocking your shelves with the latest, high-quality products that will have culinary enthusiasts flocking to your store. Let's start by indulging in the world of electric cooking essentials. From the sleek electric iron to the versatile air fryer and the portable ovens, you can witness a range designed to elevate your culinary stock. For outdoor enthusiasts, Yiwu Mart's barbecue and outdoor cooking selection is a feast for the senses. Here you can explore high-quality BBQ tools like skewers and fire guns, electric baking pans, and more products, perfect for those who relish the sizzle of barbecue. Create captivating culinary content with China's popular small TikTok tools. From the practicality of a meat grinder to the simplicity of an egg yolk separator, each tool adds a dash of convenience to your customers' kitchen experiences. Capture attention with the uniqueness of tools like the corn peeler, fire gun, and digital rice cooker. Enhance your product offerings with our dessert and snack makers, including ice cream machines and popcorn makers, perfect for attracting customers looking for unique kitchen solutions. Ensure your inventory meets professional standards with Yiwu Market stove appliances and accessories. Igniters designed to meet the demands of restaurants and industrial kitchens. Stock up your shelves with a comprehensive selection of small kitchen appliances designed to cater to the diverse needs of your customers. Yiwu's collection includes food processors, hand mixers, slow cookers, and electric kettles. Upgrade your kitchenware offerings with Yiwu Mart's blending and chopping tools, featuring versatile hand blenders, efficient food choppers, and precision knives. These tools are essential for any culinary enthusiast looking to streamline their cooking process. From reliable kitchen scales and meat thermometers to ergonomic garlic presses and durable cutting boards, this selection has everything your customers need to master their creations. Keep cooking on track with these temperature and timing tools. China's range of thermometers and timers ensures precise cooking temperatures and timing, helping your customers achieve culinary perfection with ease. Discover practical and stylish utensils and gadgets perfect for resale. This wholesale collection includes an array of utensil sets in a variety of designs and materials. A clean kitchen is a happy kitchen. Explore China's best kitchen organization tools like dish racks and trash bins, and equip your store with the finest cleaning tools for a spotless culinary haven. For those managing retail stores or catering businesses, this bulk kitchen organization and cleanup products are designed to keep your shelves stocked with quality items that customers will love. From professional bakeries to specialty stores, their array of baking tools caters to the diverse needs of wholesale buyers, offering everything from cake stands to silicone baking mats. Whether you're stocking a retail store or outfitting a commercial kitchen, China's Yiwu Market delivers unparalleled value and selection. If any of these innovative kitchen products have caught your eye, don't hesitate to reach out to us to incorporate them into your wholesale inventory. Thanks for embarking on this journey through the Yiwu International Trade Mart with us. Until next time, happy sourcing and thanks for watching!